Happy Valentine's Day, Aubrey. Happy Valentine's Day, 3P. Are you happy that it's Valentine's Day? No? Not excited? He will be. Yeah? You want to say Happy Valentine's Day, everybody? You want to say Happy Valentine's Day, Mom? Are you reaching for the light? Nothing over there. Just go in. You're so silly. You're so pretty. You fell over. What happened? Alright, I'll let you play with the light.